Sir, I move that the Inland Waterways Authority of India Amendment Bill 2001 be taken up for consideration and approval by this Honourable House. So there are two substantial amendments which have been suggested to the existing bill. The first is with regard to the composition of the authority. There are some changes which have been suggested in order to make it a little more broad-based. The second is a more significant, which is substantial, which relates to its functioning. Currently, sir, we have 3 national waterways in the country, and today out of a total waterway strength in India, barely about 20% of it is what is effectively utilized. A large amount of investment is needed in that sector, and for that purpose, the Section 14 of the Principal Act is sought to be amended, which empowers the authority to enter into joint ventures concerning inland shipping by way of equity participation. There is also a proposal to add Section 18 capital A. In order to attract investment, the authority may in such manner and subject to those terms borrow from various sources by issue of bonds, debentures and other instruments. This is an empowering provision which enables the authority to raise capital from the market itself by way of these instruments. So these are these two substantial objects, because there is a lot of scope for expansion of the inland waterways activity in India, essentially because it is economically it's much cheaper, it's fuel efficient, ecologically it is superior, and it also tends to lower the weight or the emphasis which is on our roads and rail network. I therefore, sir, propose to this Honourable House that this bill be taken up for consideration and passage by this Honourable House.
Now the motion moved. There is no member to speak on this important bill. Now the question is that the Inland Waterways Authority of India Amendment Bill 2001 be taken into consideration. Those in favor will please say ayes. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Mr. Minister.
Sir, I move that the bill be passed.